We have here the Smart Bark Training Collar. This is everything that was in the box. We got the manual, charging cord, and the device itself. It's very sleek. Definitely going to be a nice slim fit for a smaller dog. So many bark collars are very large and bulky, so I definitely like this small design. The charger is a magnetic charger, which kind of hard to do with one hand, and actually when you have it the wrong way, it doesn't attach. You gotta make sure you put it on the right way, and then it just grabs on like that. Definitely needed to read the manual to understand how to adjust the settings, but there's only 2 buttons, so it's not that hard once you understand how it works. You short press the on button to see what the power is at. Right now I have the sound set to 6 and the vibration to 2. And I did go aheid and put it on my Weimaraner so we can see size comparison here. You see the bark collar is smaller than her actual collar, and there's her bark collar compared to a Fitbit, or Fitbark. Good girl.
So I received a new smart bark training collar for my dog. My dog is a Labradoodle who is just an insane barker, and she barks at everything, and nothing seems to stop her except for these training collars. And what I like about this one, this is the upgraded model. I think that the band is very nice. And I really like these 2 probes here. As you can see, they're blunted, whereas other bark collars that I had in the past were sharp against the neck. This one provides a loud beeping and a vibration. It does not shock the dog. It comes with a very clear owner's manual. The charging cable is a magnet that just attaches to two little leads, so it prevents a cable from breaking. And there's a very nice color display, which I can adjust the sensitivity and the vibration. So I'm very impressed with this collar. It works really well, and I'm happy to have it.
Button and pushing it a second time, and then you can use the secondary button on the back. There's a power and the secondary button to then adjust the setting. So the first time you push the power button, you can adjust the sensitivity, and then these are the sensitivity options, and then hit the button a second time, and then you can adjust the vibration setting. And that's it. Basically, I have been using this on my dog the last few days, and definitely have noticed a decrease in his barking. Thanks so much. Bye.
So it's on. And on the directions it says I can blow into this little thing right here 3 times. And it gives it a nice little test. it's been a little challenging trying to get a video of it on my dog working, but she stops barking after the first bark usually. I don't know if you could hear her little foot patters, but she heard it go off and she came and sat at my feet. So I'd give it a 10 out of 10 or 5-star rating. Nice purchase.
So it's pretty safe to use. You really just have sound and vibration, but it really does work. It stops my dog from barking. Great product.
We just received our new Smart Bark training collar, and we're gonna see what happens. And Gunner, who's got his new collar on, here's the doorbell. What is it? What is that? Gunnar? No more bark. I think it works.
That let you adjust the levels and the sensitivity. Batteries lasted a while. My pup's been wearing it a couple days now and seems to be stopping his barking a little bit. Overall, we'll see how it goes.
I'm sorry I'm so hard on you.